Hello everybody, this is RacerKid998, also known as David. I'm going to be doing a quick install in the EVO today, the second half of my back seats. I sold these when I originally took them out, so I had to find someone online that was willing to sell me the upper half because I still have the lower half in the car. Well, I still have the lower half, which I installed about a week ago. This shift boot delete, I don't think I made a video about this. It's carbon fiber shift boot delete. So just had to pull the center console, pull out the shift boot, and then I have this little carbon fiber plate that goes in place of the shift boot. It's a really nice little touch. The only thing is I gotta be careful about like eating in the car. Obviously, I don't want to drop anything down in there. So as long as I don't get any crap down in there, it should be fine. Clock spring and the steering angle sensor replaced yesterday. I got them replaced at 63,000 miles when I had changed my steering wheel over. Now I'm at 69,000 miles, so only 6,000 miles later I'm replacing them again, and that's because apparently I messed them up again when I put that stock steering wheel back on. But the dealership changed those two things for free, and the big thing, they replaced my all-wheel drive pump, the AWC, AYC pump, whatever it's called. The dealership replaced it, and they didn't charge me for it. They did it under warranty, so my all-wheel drive pump has now been changed out in the EVO, which is great. I'm finally error message free, except for the tire pressure monitoring system. That's really the only error I have on here. Also, I just noticed this side skirt has popped out. I'm not sure how that happened. But yeah, so they replaced the all-wheel drive pump, which is great. That's been needing to get changed out for a while. Like I said, it was free under warranty. So what we're going to be doing today, also I just noticed that there is a spike missing on my lug nut because they went to go give me an alignment. I still need to get an alignment done, but I'm going to wait until after deployment because I'm just checking all my spikes. I'm going to wait until after deployment because I need to get my pressure gauges put in first, and once I get those pressure gauges put in, then I'll be able to go ahead and do an alignment. Luckily, I have some replacement spikes that 6-Speed sent me. I'm not sure how long I'm going to keep these lug nuts. I've had them on since I got the car, but they're kind of like, they're aluminum. They just aren't very great because they just don't hold up well when you're taking the wheels on and off. They're just very fragile, and these spikes always manage to go missing. So I definitely think I want to upgrade to, I don't know if it would be considered an upgrade, but I definitely want to change over to steel lug nuts, just something that's a little more rigid. So you can see here, the back seats, I've got the 3 bolts that we need. They're 14 millimeter. That's really it to put the seats on. The first thing we're gonna have to do is pull off the lower half. My underglow is down. Let me turn on the light in here. Okay, so changing out putting in the back seats. I don't know how well you can see in here. I've got the lights on, but first thing we need to do is take off the bottom half of the seats here. So there's 2 clips that you just need to pull up and they pop out. All right, there's one side. All right. There we go, those are off. Just like that, the back seats are out again. Lower half I took out because I'm pretty sure I have to put the top half in first. Something really great that my dad got me for Christmas is this magnetic tray here. Comes in handy for holding bolts and stuff. You don't have to worry about them sliding all over the car. Alright guys, so I have the 3 bolts screwed in now on the back. So you can see the top half is now secure back there. Now it's just time to clip in the bottom. And that's it, you guys. The 3 screws in the back there, put on the top half, and then the 2 clamps smushed down on the bottom half, and the rear seats are back in. Thank you guys for watching. I will catch you in the next video. All right, bye.